When Jesus healed the blind man at Bethsaida, it didn't happen all at once. Sometimes God works in stages, restoring our sight gradually until we see clearly. Our Bible verse today is from Mark chapter 8, verse 25. Then Jesus laid his hands on his eyes again, and he looked intently, and his sight was restored, and he saw everything clearly. This is the gospel of the Lord. Next, reflection. The healing of the blind man at Bethsaida is unlike any other miracle in the Gospels. Jesus first touches the man's eyes, and his vision is partly restored. He can see, but people look like trees walking. Only after Jesus lays his hands on him again does he see clearly. This gradual healing is a gift to us. It shows that God sometimes works in stages. He could heal instantly, and often does, but sometimes he chooses a slower path, shaping us, strengthening us, and teaching us to trust along the way. I once drove through thick fog on an early morning journey. The mist was so dense that I could barely see the road ahead. Slowly the fog began to lift, and the world around me came into view. It wasn't instant, but with each mile the road grew clearer until everything was sharp and bright again. That experience reminded me how often God's guidance works like that. We long for instant clarity, but more often he reveals things step by step. This miracle also speaks to our spiritual vision. Sometimes we see dimly. Our understanding of God's love, our sense of his plan, or our awareness of his presence may feel blurred. Yet Jesus does not leave us half-seeing. He keeps walking until the picture is clear. Notice also that the man didn't heal himself. He had to stay close to Jesus to let him touch his eyes again. Our clarity comes from his presence, his word, his spirit. Without him we remain in the fog. With him we begin to see as he sees. We are now on day 3 of the John 3:16 prayer challenge. Well done, you've started faithfully, and we are nearly halfway. Each 2-minute prayer might feel small, but together they are sharpening your spiritual sight. Think of them as the moments when Jesus lays his hand on your eyes again. The more time you give him, the clearer your vision becomes. So here's a reflection for today. What area of your life feels foggy right now? Is it a decision, a relationship, or your sense of God's calling? Pray about it for your 2 minutes today. Ask Jesus to lay his hand on your heart again and give you clarity. And here's a way to encourage others. Share in the comments how God has helped you see something more clearly over time. Your story might remind someone else that the fog doesn't last forever. Jesus is still the one who makes the blind see. May God open your eyes step by step until you see his goodness with perfect clarity. Need a reliable source of daily faith and encouragement? Liking this video is a great way to express that, and subscribing ensures you receive that support consistently. Thank you, and God bless you. Next, prayer. Healer of hearts, thank you for restoring in both sudden moments and slow seasons. God of clarity, lift the fog from our visions so we may see your purpose clearly. Spirit of light, as this challenge continues, open our eyes daily to see Christ more fully. Amen. Next, worship song.
I stumbled in the haze, so thick, so great. Shadows whispered, led me astray. Hands reached out, but there couldn't find the line. Then a voice like sunlight broke the air. It said, hold on, I'm right there. Eyes open wide, I see the way through the mist into the day. Jesus, you're the light I found. Now my feet are on solid ground. A world once blurred, now sharp and real. Every step feels like a seal of grace poured out of love divine. Your touch turned water into wine. You breathed, the veil began to part. You mended every piece of my heart. Eyes open wide, I see the way through the mist into the day. Jesus, you're the light I found. Now my feet are on solid Eyes open wide, I see the way through the mist into the day. Jesus, you're the light I found. Now my feet are on solid ground. Solid ground.
Our time here has come to an end, but your journey of faith continues. Carry the light of Christ with you today and always, serving him in all that you do. Go in peace and share his love wherever you go. In the name of Christ, amen.